Everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Threads. You click on settings like this. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Threads. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you click on Play Store. Then we'll search about Threads and you will update your app if you find the update here. So please don't forget to support